Kita niyo to, ang laki ng difference? Thanks to 5D Diva Sculpt. Mas tone at slim na ang tummy. Gusto mo rin? Dito lang yan sa Contour, Slimming, and Aesthetic Katipunan QC Branch. Unit 201, second floor, Eagle Star, Condo, F. De La Rosa, Loyola Heights. Bago mag-start, may quick consult muna. Fill out ng form, share ang goals, tapos piliin ang best treatment para sa'yo. It's time for my 5D Diva Sculpt session. Perfecto para i-burn ang stubborn fat at i-contour ang tummy. First, nilagyan ng gel para smooth at comfortable ang treatment. Then, the 5D Diva Sculpt machine starts working, relaxing, painless, at super effective. 5D Diva Sculpt use 4 advanced technology: radio frequency, vacuum therapy, LED light, at microcurrent. These work together to burn fat, tighten skin, at enhance body contouring. Grabe! Ang bilis! Ang gaan sa pakiramdam at mas firm na agad ang tummy. Parang nag-workout nang hindi nagpapawis. Walang effort, walang sakit, pero may instant slimming effect.
So what are you waiting for? Book your appointment now and experience Contour Glow.